Peeling and cracking on front doors isn't caused by age alone. It's usually the result of environmental stress combined with improper surface protection. One of the biggest contributors is UV exposure. Sunlight breaks down paint and clear coats at a molecular level, drying them out and making them brittle. Once flexibility is lost, the finish can no longer move with the door and begins to crack. Moisture intrusion is another major cause. Rain, humidity, snow, and even condensation seep into tiny gaps in the finish, especially along edges, seams, and the bottom of the door. When moisture gets trapped beneath the coating, it pushes outward as temperatures change, causing bubbling, peeling, and flaking. Temperature swings make the problem worse. Front doors expand in heat and contract in cold, but many coatings are too rigid to handle that constant movement. Over time, this repeated expansion and contraction breaks the bond between the finish and the door surface. In many cases, improper prep or low-quality materials are the root of repeated failure. Painting over old finishes, skipping sanding, or using interior-grade products on an exterior door almost guarantees peeling within a short time. Even factory finishes are often designed for appearance, not long-term weather resistance. Finally, everyday use and cleaning contribute more than people realize. Oils from hands, abrasive cleaners, and friction around handles slowly degrade the finish, creating weak points where peeling and cracking begin. When peeling and cracking keep returning, it's usually not because the door is beyond saving. It's because the finish wasn't designed or applied to withstand real outdoor conditions. Proper refinishing addresses all of these issues by fully removing failed coatings, repairing damage, and applying professional-grade finishes that flex, seal, and protect for the long term. And your local Door Renew can refinish your door for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.